Hey there, friends. It is me, HL Mod Tech, and I am, of course, a teacher, and I've got this channel with all the possible training that I can find. Here is something that I got to give a shout out to Adrian, one of my students. He yesterday figured out why my videos aren't clear sometimes. So I'm going to combine two skills here. The first one is breaking out your projects. So if you grab a tab and bring it down an inch, it separates from the other tabs. Then grab the blue space and bring it down so it's loose. And then I want to smack it against this wall to split it in half. So gently grab above the tab. Don't grab the tab, just go above the tab and smack it to the other side, and it splits perfectly well. Do the same thing with your other one. Break it down. Grab the tab on this side and push it over till it smacks. And then it splits evenly. Now that's pretty cool, but then the technique I want to show you is that if you just stretch it past and then stretch the other one past, you can switch between the two different screens by simply clicking the blue. Now this is handy when you're following any of my movies. So I teach about Turtle Academy, which is a fun coding area. And when you stretch your screen a bit, these show up with the correct proportions. Well, on the playlist, though, our movies did not have the correct, our ability to read. Then they weren't clear. And this is how we fixed that. First, we went to theater mode, which is larger. And then when you hit settings, check the quality. Good grief, it's at auto 480p. You want a minimum of 720p to get the quality that you deserve for your videos. So really this whole lesson was about that, setting to 1080p so you're getting your HD quality. I'll just skip ahead to where there's actually words on the screen and you'll be able to see this is much easier to read as you watch the videos. So, two tricks: split your world, click the blue so that you can go between the two different places as you learn, and don't forget to set your settings so you've got HD quality. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you get a chance, track down Adrian_plays with a capital A and the 07 and give him a sub, or even a shout out for showing us the cool skill.